தமிழ் நல்லா பேசுவேன், பட் தமிழ் we can understand. It is May 30 CUT organizing day, that is CETUD. In India, throughout India, all the centers, all the privatized. This is my suggestion. Otherwise, parties. After that, after 10 years, Congress-led government 10 years, they started slowly, gradually privatizing all the public sector, insurance, banks, EB also, electricity sector. After 10 years, India is facing very, very dangerous condition in India because BJP RSS polarization is a very dangerous to the country, dangerous to the people, dangerous to the working people also. Why I am talking again and again dangerous? Because 93% of the people is non-organized workers. 93% of the people. 100%, 7% only organized people. 7% is the IT people, state government employees, central government employees, other reputed concern on monthly basis, earning more salary. That is organized sector. So 93 to 94% of the employees of the daily wages facing so many problems, no jobs, unemployment growth is high, and facing every day problem.